You just hit the shift button on this shit.
Maybe it's to do by the
I get my other few rows by clicking the top one and dragging down a couple of random things in that step. Which, as you can see, A has.
For the weekend, shawty fell in love with the ice. She say I'm freezing. Know some I love.